Dr. Leanne Kaiser, and I'm an associate professor at Colorado State University in the School of Education's Adult Education and Training program. So I am currently pursuing a fellowship in our institution's Faculty Institute for Inclusive Excellence. And one of the steps to becoming a fellow is to complete a project focused on inclusive teaching practices. My colleague who I'm working with on this project and I decided to create a toolkit that could be used by online instructors to increase their inclusive practices. So we needed to identify a mentor to work with on this project, and we immediately thought of Dr. Murray Johnson. And we were thrilled when she agreed to serve in this role. Her expertise in issues related to education and diversity, equity, and inclusion is well known in our adult education field. And as well, she's one of the few people who's pairing that work with a knowledge of distance learning, which is such an important combination in the world that is increasingly relying on distance learning. I just want to emphasize that Dr. Murray Johnson is establishing herself as a leader in this arena, which is why we asked her to be our mentor. And not only am I honored that she agreed to share her expertise with us, but I'm confident that she's going to continue her scholarly and applied work to make important long-term contributions to inclusion, online learning, and adult education. Thank you.